Okay, let me fix my phone.
No, I didn't look. Okay, I'm gonna look in the camera.
In the camera?
In the phone.
Okay,
Ow.
let's do both and then we will choose.
This is kind of my dream day. I was invited to matcha spa with a group of other girls, and we're gonna do sound healing, we're gonna do yoga, breathwork, journaling, all the good stuff. And after, we're gonna just hang out and connect with our feminine energy and drink matcha. They're famous for their strawberry matcha, which I love. It is so good. So this day is such a good day because just being surrounded by people who have like the same values as myself, and just like connect with other people and just trying to be a better person and learn more about yourself, and it's just gonna be a beautiful day, I think. So of course I'm gonna take you with me. The bikes come so fast here, so I literally have to be ready to go like out the door when I order. I think it's already here. No, I'm doing YouTube. Hello.
Hello, we're matching.
We actually have the same on. This is white and this is
Sable.
I love this color. It's so nice. Are you ready for yoga? Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Matching with Linda. Wearing the same one. Actually, 3 of us.
So, what are you most excited for?
I'm excited about the sound healing because I never tried it before.
Yes.
So I wonder, and I'm excited how it's gonna affect me.
It is so good, actually.
I heard good about it.
Yeah, I love it with like singing bowls.
Yeah,
So nice.
And we have 3.
And breathwork also.
Yeah, I'm actually nervous about the breath work because I tried it before by myself.
Yeah.
And my hands started having seizure.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know.
Okay,
I'm
here with you. But
Hold my hand.
some of these things can be very powerful,
It
actually.
is. It plays with your emotional as well. So
Yes.
I'm really nervous.
So I'm going to give you some journal prompts, so I can read out the prompt, you can write it down, it's easier, and then you can answer the question. What are you ready to let go of in this moment? What is no longer serving you? This might be past relationships, bad habits, maybe negative self-talk. Longer serves you. By letting go of the past, or making room for things we want to call in for the future.
Looks like you're the queen and we're the babies. Look.
Like my head is all like, it always feels so weird after sound healing.
It is actually.
No, after breathwork, I mean.
Yeah, my whole body was tingling.
Yeah, it's so nice. Like my arm was actually tingling. I don't know.
Mine is like a little frozen and like cold and like
Yeah.
floating in some sort. I don't know.
But it was so nice, and now I'm just enjoying the strawberry matcha. This was just such a beautiful day. It was just like a dream day. I knew 2 of the girls there from before, but I got to meet some new people, and I just love the community here in Bali because I am introverted and I never go out my way to get new friends. I'm kind of content with the friends I have back home and like don't really go out my way to build new friendships. But after I moved to Bali and I'm all alone, of course, then I feel the need to meet more people. And I've been actually like putting myself out of my comfort zone, and I'm starting now to like get a network of girls here that I can hang out with, and it's so much fun. And there's so many people who just share the same values, who want to be healthy, want to be happy, want to live their best lives, and it's just so inspiring to be around people here. And I'm just so thankful that I'm able to actually build new relationships in my mid-30s, because I feel like that's very rare. Yes, I'm just very thankful for that. If you are wanting to move abroad and you're afraid you're not gonna meet friends, like I think going alone is the best thing, because if you're going with somebody, you're just gonna lean on them. You don't really need to go out your way to find friends. After I come to Bali or Asia in general, I've been trying a lot of different meditation styles, and I would say that actually breathwork is my favorite one, that I feel like I get the most advantage of. And I felt it again today during the breathwork session. It's just like electric in a way. I don't know how to describe it, but I always got this like tingling feeling down my arm mid-session, and it's kind of like so powerful that I have to like take a break. But it kind of just clears my head and it just gets silent, if you know what I mean. So like my thoughts and all my ruminating and overthinking kind of stops. It's so nice. So breathwork is really such a powerful tool if you haven't tried it. But on that note, I'm gonna wrap up this little vlog. It's about time. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the evening. The weather is so great today, and I just want to thank you for being here and following me on this journey, and I appreciate you so much. And please let me know if there anything in particular that you want me to talk about, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.